Sei stanco?
No. È partito?
No, no. Vai.
Parti.
Parto, vai.
È partito?
Mhm.
Oh, hey guys, this is Sean the Light Bomb. I'm pumping a bottle to let it explode about 50 feet in the air. The box said I could launch it 100 feet in the air, so I estimated exactly half. And the pod I'm launching it is called Aquapod. And this is just bought by the Chinese. And it's getting at least half a kilo. At least half a kilo of pressure.
Ok.
Pensi che sia
Vai.
abbastanza pressione?
Sì, penso di sì. Ok, vai.
Okay. I think I gotta pump even more because my dad pumped a bit and after now it's really hard to pump.
Ok, Sean, adesso prova a tirare il filo, vediamo che succede, dai.
Oh, I gotta hold on.
Countdown.
Oh, and as you see, I got a ring here for
Ok, countdown, you need to snatch it. Ok, Sean. Quando fai 0, devi fare così, ehi, devi fare... Pam, ok?
10,
Vai.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition lift off.
No, fermo, non tirare, fermo.
Ring off.
Vai.
Now and
Wow!
60 feet in the air.
Amazing!